Yeah, just testing the camera, make sure my battery's working.
Oh, the things they don't see.
Oh, they're gonna see this. We got her back. Poor Buggy. How are you feeling? Pretty crazy, huh?
Is this real life?
So she does not do well with a cone. And since we're with her 24 hours a day, I just kind of hold her and gonna make sure she doesn't bother her eye, which she did not last year at all. So, okay, on the road to recovery. We come back in a week, they take the stitches out and the contact out, and then we come back the next week and they do another checkup, and then she gets her dental work done.
Then we're out of here.
Yes, then we are out of here. Oh, I gotta go cuddle this bug. Yeah, he's a good girl. Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, the vet did say she was pretty pitiful. He said she was quite pitiful. Oh, it's so sad. Miss Pistol got her stitches out today, so we're doing a celebratory hike out at Calico Basin. Pistol, she can see. Doctor said she's really good. There's one spot that's not entirely healed, so he kept the contact lens on there, but he took the stitches out. So we gotta go back in a few more days. This is gonna be a fun hike. We're gonna hopefully take you into Flintstone's living room.
Trying to talk Irene into going up to hike up to Turtlehead Peak.
Turtlehead Peak right here. We hiked up that. It was actually before we started out in the van. It was our first video I think we ever
First
did.
video she ever made.
Yeah, we hiked up to the top of Turtlehead Peak.
We didn't have a very good camera back then, so it's an amazing view of the whole Red Rock Canyon. You can see Vegas off in the distance. So.
I kind of want to do it. The weather just has to be right for her to be in the van because she cannot go, so. Huh, Buggy.
It's a grind.
Yeah, I can't remember how long it took us. I'll have to watch the video.
Have a seat.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it looks like a throne up here for the queen.
That's where I belong.
I was talking to Pistol.
I know you are. Well, she goes right up here. There we go.
Okay, let's make some coffee and have some grub.
Yeah. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
There's just something about hiking back somewhere and making coffee. Eating scones. So this is.
Are we filming?
Yeah, we are
Is
filming.
it turned on?
It just turned on. Yeah, it's on. This is part of the Red Rock Conservation Area. Did you hit your head on the rock? Speaking of rock, there's one behind us. That's Wile E. Coyote pushing that over. This is part of Red Rock Canyon, is it not? Kind of. It's just on the east side of the entrance to Red Rock Canyon.
We're in Calico Basin, which is just on the other side of the hill from the Red Rock Canyon.
Just west of Vegas.
Just west of Vegas. It's a big popular area for people who boulder, like climb these rocks.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So we've just been at the condo a few days. She had her surgery. We took her back in. She just had her stitches out this morning that I mentioned. And
we're loving life in the condo. I think we're gonna sell the van and give this life up.
Wrong. A hard pass on that. It's been interesting being back at the condo because this time here we're on a mission, so we kind of have things lined up and
lots of adulting.
Well, just our regular appointments that we take care of when we're here, like doctor, physicals, and vets, and accounting, and that kind of stuff. But also now we're getting rid of stuff.
We're selling
in the condo.
Everything inside the condo. We're not keeping anything.
There's nothing personal in there.
Selling everything, getting it all cleaned up, and then
so we're scheduling with a carpet cleaner and scheduling with a realtor and doing all that kind of stuff. So it's kept us busy.
Yep. And then I think next week or so, once we get it emptied out, we're going to go camp at the Red Rock Campground and stay there for probably a good 3 days while we do all that stuff, meet with the realtor and do the carpet cleaning. Then as soon as that's done, we're gone.
We're done.
We're gone.
That'll be the last time we see that condo.
So we've just been doing stuff. I've been mountain biking and we've been hiking.
We had fun with the boys. They were only here a couple days. And this has been a great spot for them to fly into or drive over from LA. But we kind of figured we could just do a vacation rental house or something wherever we want them to come see us, So
yeah. This condo was a great investment. We've had it for a while, but we may as well move on.
It's just time for the next chapter, and I think instead of having this place now, we could have the place in Central Oregon, the property, do the pole building, living quarters.
Whatever we do there.
It's time for that chapter,
Sounds good. So here we are in Flintstone's living room.
Isn't this crazy? So, like you mentioned, this is a big area for rock climbers and bouldering, and
I'm assuming that's who made this living area. I love the throne though.
Yeah, the throne was
It's like a staff or something up there they stuck in there. I'm gonna go sit there for a second and see how my coffee tastes up there.
A chair fit for a king.
What a beautiful view though. Look at that.
I know. Really is cool back here.
I like the throne, but this is probably better for talking.
Yeah.
Well, I think we're working our way back up to Oregon, and I think we're gonna go maybe up into Napa.
Yeah.
Napa, California. But,
on our way to Oregon.
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out how we're gonna get there. I don't want to go through the...
We're trying to avoid the high mountains and passes.
I would love to go back up to the Sierras, but it's just gonna be...
Snowfest.
Yeah, imagine all the places we like to camp are still buried.
So also, southern Oregon, parts of 101 are closed because there's been some crazy weather there and some slides, and so we're just gonna have to...
Well, I'm thinking we'll just head straight west. We'll leave Vegas, go to Pahrump, then just go straight west to like towards Barstow, and just kind of skirt all the urban area.
Okay.
Come around up.
I like skirting
around the urban areas.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Take back roads and try to get into the Napa Valley. We do have some friends in Oregon that we said, hey, we're coming to Napa, and maybe they should come down and visit. So we're still waiting to hear from them.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
That would be fun. Oh, and maybe Tyler, our oldest, can bop up and join us there too.
Yeah.
We don't really know what we're doing.
And then I think it's been a long time since we've actually gone up 101, but not sure what the roads are like.
Oh, but the thing is, so I mentioned the roads closed, Southern Oregon, but we want to zip east and head north into Oregon, Central Oregon, because we want to see that piece of property we bought. We have yet to see it with our own eyes. We've seen it online, but we've not been there physically yet. So
We've seen it. Friends have seen it. Seen videos of it before we bought
it's
it.
just not the same, though.
But we saw the property around it.
We did.
But
Yeah, I'm excited to see that. Now, I don't think we'll get to building on that this summer.
probably not.
I don't know. That's still too far away to tell what's going to happen, right?
Yeah, because we're still undecided on if we want to buy a new van, build a van.
I know. By simplicity,
Yeah.
alter that to suit our needs.
Yeah, we definitely have decided that we want to try the larger size ProMaster. We're on the 2500. We want to try the full size. And one of the things we always talked about is if we don't have, you know, the ability or time or whatever to build our own from scratch, to actually buy the Road Trek Simplicity and then put, you know, different battery system and solar and I don't know. We're always kind of just
I don't know. The wheels are always
spitballing,
spinning.
is that what they call it? Spitballing, throwing things at the wall, see what sticks.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it's been a great van. But you know, if we do go to Mexico this next winter, it would be nice to have a van with a lot less miles and maybe not so flashy.
Yeah, sorry. I'll take the credit for that one.
I don't know what we're talking about. We're just rambling.
Yeah.
Coffee with the Careys.
Coffee with the Careys. I like that. I think you just made something up. That was
Just
good.
made that up. Coffee with the Careys. A little random video chats once in a while.
I do have to say the condo, it's like 1,200 square feet, way too big.
It's ridiculous.
Way, way too big. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. Like, what do we need that for? It's crazy. I mean, it is nice when the boys come because there's space, you know?
But the bedrooms, each bedroom has a walk-in closet that has more space than our van does.
Yeah.
Room to collect stuff. Lots and lots of stuff.
Yeah.
But
It'll be nice to have that gone and do something else with that investment. I'm excited. This is me excited.
Sunshine and 70 excites me.
Yeah, and Pistol's doing great. You can come over, girl. You staying in the shade? Okay. Yeah, so vet said she's doing great. So we go in for one more checkup with the ophthalmologist, and she gets her dental work done the following day. So that's gonna happen in a week. We still have a couple other appointments left, and
I've watched more TV in the last 3 days than I've watched in the last year.
that's a fact.
Just because when you're in the condo, it's like, what else do you do?
You're there if you're done with the project or you have nothing else to do that day. It's like on the TV goes.
As opposed to, I don't know. We're just, I don't know. It's not nothing right or wrong.
No.
I mean, and it's just we enjoy the routine of our van lifestyle that just doesn't feel right. You know,
I actually feel like I'm in killing time mode, so I have these things scheduled and I know exactly what I have to do when, which I like to know those things. But it's the in-between downtime that I'm just filling space, you know, I'm just
and when you only
filling
have,
the time.
you know, we all have just so much time, and to think that we're actually killing part of it,
Right.
it's like sickening.
It is. Yeah.
Just a killing time. It's killing me.
Working myself. No.
Drinking
Oh,
myself
drinking myself blind.
She doesn't know we're Clem Black.
I switched it to suit me because I'm not drinking myself blind, but working myself blind.
Come here.
Good. Oh, she's caught up, Debbie. There we go. Oh, good girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She is not enjoying the condo at all.
No.
Something's not right. She's on red alert.
Yeah, she's uneasy there unless she's on a lap, and even then she's on alert mode. Yeah, you are a humbug. But we'll get this wrapped up and then we'll be done, and I'm excited for what's to come. Whether we build a van, build on our property, buy a van, remodel a van, or none of the above.
Or stay in our van.
We really are rambling. I feel like this is really no good.
That's what happens when you follow a couple that don't like to script anything and just start to just wing it. So it is what it is.
So next video we might be taking you up to Turtlehead Peak. Now what is the elevation up there? Do you know?
I do not. I used to. I don't remember.
It's basically like this.
It is a pretty.
The whole way. Like I want to say it's like 5 miles.
Maybe.
But I don't know where the elevation starts and where it ends.
Well, it's just gradual, but then at the end, it's more scrambling towards the end.
It is, yeah.
But the view is.
It's killer, yeah. As long as it's not hazy, but it doesn't matter. It'll be nice. Ooh, we could take our cook stove and
Might need more calories in
mountain house
than a scone. So yeah, we could actually take up a meal and make a meal up there. Make a day of it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm eating in front of you.
These are not homemade scones, by the way. I have access to a full oven now inside the condo.
We haven't used it.
I have zero interest in using it. It's not fun. I love to use the camp oven and cook in camp because it's fun for me. It's like an exciting adventure.
Well, it's just the whole process is
Yeah.
not just put it in the oven and go watch TV until a buzzer goes
There's
off.
nothing magical about it. I still find that
My oven stuff is magical.
it is magical. I love it. I love the pulling it out and just being stunned every time it turns out.
You're gonna have a lot of editing to do.
I'm just gonna let it run. I'm not gonna do zero editing. We're just gonna start to finish. That's it. It is what it is, right? All right. Maybe we'll catch you up Turtlehead Peak.
Or we'll find some other place to go if it's not gonna work out for the weather.
Or who knows what we'll be doing. Stay tuned to find out.
Go back to Blue Diamond, go mountain biking.
Hit that subscribe button. And the notification button.
And carry on.
And carry on.